Hello students, welcome to class 12 physics, chapter number 5 magnetism and matter. And in this video we are going to discuss about the diamagnetism and diamagnetic substance. So first of all, let us see the types of the substance. There are three types of the magnetic substance, that is the diamagnetic substance, ferromagnetic substance and the paramagnetic substance, right? So basically what is the magnetic substance? The substance in which the magnetic property is induced is called as the magnetic substance, right? So if the substance is not a magnet, right, then the property of that substance can be changed and it is converted into magnetic substance. So first we will discuss about the diamagnetic substance. Diamagnetic substances are those which have tendency to move from stronger to the weaker part of the external magnetic field. These substances are repelled by the magnet. Now see, basically what happens, we have already discussed about the magnetization, right? That in magnetization the substance is magnetized, right? And that process is called as magnetization. Now see how it works. Let us consider a sample, right? And in sample there are many atoms, right? If we consider for a single atom, right, then there are number of electrons in that. And if we talk only about the single atom, single electron, right, then for that electron, right, because of the orbital motion of the electron, the electric current is constituted, and because of that electric current, right, there will be magnetic moment produced, right, m vector, where m vector is equals to ia vector, right. So for an electron that is orbiting in the orbit around the nucleus, magnetic moment is created, right. So for the number of electrons there will be number of magnetic moment, right. So what will be the net magnetic moment of the atom, right? For let us first see for the diamagnetic substance. In diamagnetic substance what happens, the dipole moment is generated in pair and they get cancelled out, right? Suppose we consider an atom that is having 2 electrons, right? Then the diamagnetic moment produced over here is 2, and so the diamagnetic moment produced, that is in pair, and in pair they gets cancelled out. So the net magnetic moment for such type of atom is 0, right? That is the magnetic moment will be 0. So for atoms in which the magnetic moment are in pair will be cancelled out and the net magnetic moment will be 0, right? So in diamagnetic substance atomic dipole does not exist. In diamagnetic substance atomic dipole does not exist. That means the net magnetic moment for such substance will be 0. The net magnetic moment of the atom of such substance will be 0. So now let us see the properties of that, right? Okay, the substance in which, right, diamagnetic substance is what? The substance in which the atomic dipole does not exist, or the substance in which the net magnetic moment of each atom is 0 is called as the diamagnetic substance, right? And diamagnetism is what? It is, diamagnetism is a thing in which the net magnetic moment created will be 0, right? So as you can see over here, now let us see the properties. Figure shows a bar of diamagnetic material placed in an external magnetic field. The field lines are repelled or expelled and the field inside the material is reduced, right? So what is happening when we take a diamagnetic material and when we place in the external field, then the field lines are repelled. That means what? The magnetic field lines, right? A very few magnetic field lines will pass through the substance, otherwise all the field lines, that is the external field lines, will be repelled. That means it will be going away from the substance. When placed in a non-uniform magnetic field, the bar will tend to move from high to low field. That means if we consider the non-uniform magnetic field, right? Non-uniform magnetic field, that means in some portion the magnetic field value is greater, in some portion the magnetic field will be less, right? In that case, when we place that diamagnetic substance in non-uniform magnetic field, then what happens? The substance will try to move towards a low field, right? That means from the strong magnetic field towards the weak magnetic field, because the strong magnetic field will give the strong repulsive force to the diamagnetic substance, and due to that it will be moving away from the strong field, away from the strong forces applied on the substance. So it will move away from the strong magnetic field and go towards the low magnetic field. The simplest explanation for diamagnetism is as follows. Electrons in an atom orbiting around the nucleus possess orbital angular momentum. These orbiting electrons are equivalent to current carrying loop and thus possess orbital magnetic moment, that we have already discussed, right? The magnetic moment generated is due to the orbital motion of the electron, right? And due to that motion of the electron, electric current is produced, and due to that electric current, magnetic moment is produced. Diamagnetic substances are the ones in which resultant magnetic moment in an atom is zero. That also we have discussed, that the magnetic moment in an atom of this substance, of diamagnetic substance, is zero. The reason is it will be cancelled out in pair, right? The magnetic moment generated is in pair, right? So they get cancelled out. When magnetic field is applied, those electrons having orbital magnetic moment in the same direction slow down and those in the opposite direction speed up. Thus the substance develops a net magnetic moment in direction opposite to that of the applied field and hence repulsion. So repulsive force is due to what? Why the magnetic field lines of the external field is repelled by the diamagnetic substance? The reason is that the magnetic moment in the opposite direction will speed up, right? And so that net magnetic moment which is in the direction opposite to that of the external field will give the repulsive force, right? It will try to oppose the external field, and so repulsive forces applied to the external field. Some diamagnetic materials are bismuth, copper, lead, silicon, nitrogen, water and sodium chloride. Diamagnetism is present in all the substances, but the effect is so weak, right? That means such property you can see in every substance, but the effect is very less. The susceptibility of the diamagnetic substance is small and negative. So students, you may note down this theory.